Hi, this video is about why you should be doing car inspection, right? And you got nearly brand new van, 1 year old. Believe it or not, it's only 6,000 miles on it, right? As you can see, everyone thinks, why you have to do inspection? Are you just gonna buy the car? Doesn't matter what it is, right? Fine, but I'll give you something what you not be happy just probably receiving off after some time, because you might not be technical and you might not be sensitive to sounds, right? First of all, obviously these are aftermarket fitted and they don't work, right? That is one thing. I'm not here to cuss anyone off. I just want to show you the importance of the inspection, and sometimes even you are the main dealers and they not check the way we check the vehicles, right? And it's great man, excellent tires, excellent disc and pads, corrosion issues because it's been sitting, right? But what I noticed is it's got an engine sound, right? Which VW probably will say it's fine. Yes, it's been stationary probably for some time. That might resolve with a simple oil change because the oil attracts the water after some time. And also you can hear, if you're sound sensitive, right, that those things will bug you. And there's also the timing belt somewhere touching the timing belt cover somewhere. You know, so you're buying a car, it's getting delivered, contactless payment, and then you're having certain things where you are, it's not like you are unhappy, but you're dissatisfied, right? Where you want to pick up the vehicle, there's everything sort of rectified. So this is one little example why inspection is important, right? But the dealer will say it's fine. That sounds develops and it's absolutely fine, and that's what they all do. That's what they're gonna say. I mean, I had that with power steering pumps on the VWs, right? Where when you turn into the there's a on any power steering system which is not electrical but hydraulic, right? On the full locks there will be strain on the power steering pump, which will cause pump to work on a excessive load. And it's understandable, yeah. It's got a release valve, pressure release valve, and oh, my number plate fell off. And what I want to say, there's certain things which are acceptable, yes, but there's certain things which is a bit excessively, you know, which shouldn't be having at that sort of angle when you're turning and you have a slightly more. We got cut off. Where they're slightly more than acceptable for the age and the mileage, right? And that is where the dispute is. It's not about having the noise, but where something is a bit too much, right? So that's why get right information, then you can make a right decision. Should you want to go for this vehicle? Maybe they have a couple of vans exactly the same, and you go for another one, right? But don't clinch on just one car, right? That's tip number one. As sometimes it could be disappointing. CarExamer.com. We have great ethical mechanics around the UK. If you need help, have a look what we do. You don't have to get an inspection from us. You can buy on blind. You can buy on your own judgment or somebody else's judgment. But if you need some tips and advice, we're here for you.